my prayer is that we will make as a community a commitment to start a harmony and health movement right here in Louisville, Kentucky. We are all interconnected, and every act that we do affects not just ourselves and our family, but all of our community and all of the rest of the world.
This event, in many ways, is a celebration of Prince Charles' Harmony principles, which brings a lot of this together as an inspiration. Just for a moment, can we give ourselves permission to think about how we help each other and how the roles that we play in society, whether it's the museum, whether it's the university, whether it's the government, whatever it is, those nonprofits, how can we team up for things that are really important?
I'm not a pessimist. I am an optimistic person in a pessimistic situation sometimes, although gatherings like this give me great grounds for optimism. So I would say these gatherings are desperately needed to bring people together to energize the radical changes that we must make to survive.
The health of air, water, soil, plants, animals, and people is one and indivisible.
We all realize that in order to be healthy, that we need to be in environments that are healthy, that we have healthy air, healthy soil, healthy water. But in addition to that, that we need to be, in some sense, in harmony, or as we call in science, adapted to our environment.
When you eat fast food, you digest a set of values.
If we're going to have the health status that we want as a nation, we have to have health as a shared value. And we have to understand that health is about interconnectivity and about recognizing we are all in this together.
We in Army Medicine have been on a journey for the last 4 years of really transitioning from a healthcare system to a system for health. The rising cost of healthcare just in Department of Defense is about 10% of DoD's budget.
Soil is more important than oil. Soil is as much of a non-renewable resource as oil. Now listen, land use is number 2 as a source of greenhouse gases, behind power plants and head of all transportation. Why aren't we working on that?
What we are speaking about is the understanding of shalom, the key concept in our biblical tradition shared between Christians, Muslims, Jews, and people of other faiths, the wholeness of creation, the relationship between the individual and the collective, the understanding of individual and social responsibility. That is the common language of faith, which we share with people of no faith.
Our clean air, clean water, the legacy of protected lands that we have in this country, all of those things underpin our quality of life as Americans. But make no mistake about it, all of those same things are under constant attack.
What is going to be the challenge of this generation? What's going to be the challenge of my generation? I think it's going to be energy and climate. As a 94-year-old friend of mine says, politics is not a spectator sport.
It's not enough for us to build and concentrate on wonderful organic and sustainable enterprises and restaurants and businesses and to build healthy cities. We've also got to be active politically to expedite this evolution. Gandhi said it best. He said, anyone who thinks they're too small to make a difference has never been in bed with a mosquito.
Everybody must have a home, a job, access to health care, a safe community. And you will never, ever have a sustainable city or a sustainable society while some people are living in beautiful homes and thousands of people are homeless.
So let's celebrate our interconnectedness and our love and our compassion. And let's care and share with each other and for each other in new kinds of ways starting today.
We are not part of nature. We are nature. That's how deep it is. And so therefore, when we affect nature, we affect us.